I'm Dr. Spiker Davis, and I'm a cosmetic dentist in Houston, Texas. And before I was a cosmetic dentist, I was a lab technician, so I made dental crowns for dentists. So I've been in the dental business for a long time, like 50 years. And so I'm frequently being asked, how do you decide or how do you choose a cosmetic dentist? And there's a lot that goes into that. First of all, I think you need to look at their continuing education. In my case, I've been accredited, which is kind of like being board certified. So I've been an accredited dentist with the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry since 1989. So I've got a lot of experience. But experience is one thing and continuing education is another. I think you need both. So you need to always look for a dentist that's certified in some form or fashion, that's got lots of experience. The next thing I think you need to do is you need to look at some photos that the dentist has done that are his patients. A lot of times you'll go to a dental office and there's photos on the wall, but they're not his patients. They're patients that they got from somewhere else, off the internet, whatever. When you come to my office, you see photos of all the patients that myself and my partner have done. So we can talk from experience and we can show you results of what we have done. The next thing that I think is really important is that the dentist should have some type of a cosmetic imaging digital computer program. And there's lots of those available, but the point is we take a photo of your teeth and then we show you what your teeth would look like if they were longer or whiter or straighter or pointed or rounded or square or whatever. And there's always choices on teeth. In fact, in my office, I have one lady that I did, and we spent all day doing 5 different styles of teeth along with 5 different hairstyles and clothes and makeup so that you could see, oh, well, if I'm an athletic person, well, what does that look like? Or if I'm an executive at IBM, what does that look like? So I think you need to have a program, the dentist needs to have a program to show you the different styles of teeth and what you would look like with that style. And so it's kind of like trying on a dress before you buy it or trying on a suit before you buy it. You get to look at it and that helps you make a decision. How do you want to look? Because most patients have no idea. They just want to look better. And so I think it's very important that you have a computer simulation of some kind to show you what you would look like. And then I think it's also important that you have choices. Because there's always choices. You can have Invisalign, you can have veneers, you can have bonding, you can have whitening, you can have all those things put together all in one. So it's important to understand that you have choices in the color, choices in the shape, choices in the style, choices in everything. So it's important that you get those choices rather than just go to a dentist and he says, yeah, I can make you look good, and he sends it off to a lab and you have no idea what that's going to look like because the lab designed it, not you and not the dentist. So I think those factors are extremely important. And so look for continuing education, look for photos done by the dentist, look for computerized programs that will show you what you look like, and then look at their experience. It also helps if you can find a patient that has been to that dentist, and so maybe you ask the dentist, hey, have you got somebody with a similar problem like mine that I could call and ask them how that was done? So all of those factors go into choosing a cosmetic dentist. So if you'd like to have that conversation with us, please give us a call. Phone number 713-781-2800, and we'd love to have a conversation with you about choices, or can we help you in any form or fashion, and then maybe you just set up a consultation. I look forward to your call.